Okay, lesson 2, O Holy Night. Really, I promise this is a simple song to play, so even kids, don't be scared off by it. It's really simple. Okay, the basic pattern for the song is going to be like this. Now we'll hold the pedal down so it sounds blended. Okay, and what that is a C chord, and it's E, C, G, E, C, G, and then repeat. E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G. And you just do that over and over again. Okay, and that is the exact pattern that you will use throughout the entire song, no matter which chord we change to. Okay, so we start off with the C chord, and you can just leave the left hand out of it for now. Oh, holy night. There's that pattern. The stars are bright. Okay, that's an F chord. We changed to an F chord. F, C, A, F, C, A. So it's the same pattern as the C chord, but it's just an F chord. Skies are brightly, and then back to the C chord. Shining, it is the night of the dear. Now we're going to change to a G7 chord on this. Dear Saviors. Okay, and that's F, B, G, D, B, G. Okay, all you're doing is picking 4 notes in that particular chord, and then you're breaking it up according to a pattern. So I'm picking those 4 notes, F, G, B, D, and I'm using my same pattern, F, B. So I'm starting at the first note in the pattern, jumping 1, and then coming back, jumping 1, and then coming back in order. You see? It's almost like a guitar picking pattern. Change to any chord you want at any time. And it's fun to just go back and forth with no particular tune in mind at all, just back and forth on the chords to practice. Okay, so that's going to be the end of our first lesson. To summarize, we're using 3 chords in this first part. We're using a C chord, which is going to have 4 notes in it. A chord really just needs 3 notes, but we're doubling up one of the notes, E here. And so we're making 4 notes, and we're just breaking it according to a nice pattern. E, C, G, E, C, G. So it's the first note in the pattern, then we skip 1, come back, skip another one, and then come back down. So that's the C chord. Everybody got it? E, G, C, E. Okay, the next chord is an F chord. Stars are brightly shining. Okay, so F chord is F, E, C, F. Okay, and we break that according to the same pattern. F, C, A, F, C, A. chord that we're going to learn on this lesson, the G7th. F, G, B, and D. And we break it up according to the same pattern. F, B, G, D, B, C, G, F, B, G, D, B, G. Notice we're starting with the first note, skip one, back, skip the other one, and then come back down. Okay, 3 chords. That's all we're going to cover in this lesson.